Good morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful evening last night. We're going to have an amazing trading day today. Why? We do that every day, dudes. That's what we do. Let me do a mic check. Make sure we're coming in like strong. I am. Nice. So we got a little trade going on right now with the markets. We're going to trade some futures right now and do a launch in the Mojo room right here. So we're going to go launch time. Trade number one, guys, right here. We're going to do a little launchy launch. So let me show you right here the Mojo Day Trading room and the team, and we'll say hello. It's launch time. You guys ready? Launch time. Right here. This is what I already did this morning. Went down 35, just in a couple of, and then bam, right up to 505. I'm going to make my next one. After this trade, I'll be at 1,000, and then I'll shut it off. I'll be done for the day because $1,000 a day keeps the doctors away. You know what I'm saying? Yo, yo, yo. I love my occupation. Oh, 'cause I'm on a vacation. 'Cause I love my occupation. Yo, yo, yo. I love my occupation. 'Cause I'm always on a vacation. Ooh, I got the text going from Halloween. Ooh, scary. Gotta change that. So become the next pro trader. Visit our website. You know, screw the Halloween pumpkin. How about we just like be like cool? Right here. Let me just change this, folks. Bam. See now, look, and I gotta change that. I don't want the monster because we're no monster. Let's do $10. There we go. That's a decent font. Visit our website, mojodaytrading.com. Become the next pro trader. That should work. There we go. Thank you, guys. So listen, in my chat room, we're doing some good trades right now. We're profitable on this last trade. I just did Lamph right there. Cannot hear me over what music? There's music playing? Not in my room. Here we go. Maybe I stopped it. Nice. What's up, Pro Trader Spec? How you been, bro? Nice to see you, man. Let's head over to the main screen, see what we got going on. Nice. Well, let's set up a coach today. I just private messaged you, Spec Bones. Hammer down in the room. Hey, Mike, it's Dean. Does the office still stand? For what? What is that? I don't understand what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Hope you're not getting messages from people on stupid Discord that are making believe they're me. What are you talking about? What the hell are you talking about, Mr. Hammer Down? All right, let's go over the market. Let's see what's hot and not. Nice. We got this moving here in the chat, boys. I'm up nicely. It's still going. It's going to go into 36 now. We're going to be up a hundo on that last lawn for Chanfer. I make hundos easier than you on the futures, bro, because all this has to do is move to 36 now by 37, and it's about to do that, and I'm going to make the next red bar down. Look. You see that, Batman? It's so easy, dude. You like can't miss. As soon as that goes to 36, instead of being up 70, I'll be up 120. Watch. Watch. As soon as it goes to 36. You ready? Watch. It's cross market now, you see? You see how it's cross market? Look, and I'm up 120. I told you, see? You see how easy that is? I told you it would go from 70, right? As soon as that's squeezed up a little bit, and it's even going to go more now. As soon as there's one more left, I'm going to be up 160 bucks now. You see how it's crossing, and the red bar on the NASDAQ futures is going lower as we speak. It's even going to go lower more because it's going to switch. I don't have to look at the chart ever because I know what the chart is going to do before it does it because I'm watching the level 2. Watch that. It just went 36 by 37. You see how they squeezed it from one to the other? Now I'm up $200. You see how easy that was? I'm at like 100% accurate on that. It's like impossible for me like to lose on it because you could see it happening right there in the level 2. That's what makes me different from everybody else. Look, you see that trade right there? I called it right here. Lonth. That means to go short the NASDAQ. Right there was up 50. Then I told you I was up 70 at this point when it was just squeezing. Then I told you it would go to 100. It went cross market. Now it flipped 36 by 37, and I'm up huge. You see how that works? Amazing, right? Let me see what Hammer Down's writing. He's writing something. I don't know what he's talking about. Oh, that's a big win, dude. Nice launch. Great job in the Mojo room. Who did that trade with me in the Mojo room? Anyone? It's going 36 by 37 now. I'm up 290, 300 now. Look at that. Look at that trade, dudes. That's big. Nice. What's up, Manuel? Yeah, there he is, Dean. Yo, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. That is good, dude. Let me give this guy a link to my live stream. Cool. All right, guys, that was a nice trade. You missed it, but a good call. Okay, we get him next time. No problem. That's what we do. Hammer down, still typing. All right, let's go over the stockereenies. The stockereenies. So the Dow is at a new high. Look, amazing, isn't it? Look at that. At this particular point on that red day, we could have gone into a recession and the economy would have been broken. But instead, the plunge protection team does it again. They come in and shore up the markets. It's too easy to print money. It's too easy to do whatever voodoo you want to do in a centralized environment. Well, I got some people I got to be muted. Nice. Spec, you got to mute. Uncle Adam, You gotta mute if you want to talk. Hey, Alan, what's up, buddy? You want to say hello this morning to the team? See what you got going on.
Morning, world. Welcome to MOJO Day Trading, best day trading room in the entire world.
I second that motion.
That's awesome!
Yep.
Want to make money? Check us out at mojodaytrading.com.
Yeah, that's what we do. Yeah, we've been trading together in a long time. Alan, Master Pro Trader, he's the one talking up there, guys. It's a great thing. A lot of people get excited when you talk on the thing. They feel like it's a big privilege that they can hear your voice and know what you're looking at and how you do your routine, man. What you do.
I look at high volume stocks that have traded millions of shares before the open.
Did you hear that, folks? Pretty simple strategy. He looks at high volume stocks that trade millions of shares before the open. It's pretty good. Let's go look at a couple right now. He likes Dbgi, traded 3.9 million. It's 462 by 5, been as high as 510. Let me know when it gets to 495. Evax, is Heinzing 21 right now, looking good towards that one, and that's 3.9 million, but the low's 1470, the high is 29. It's up 220%. Pull up a news, Oliver, in the room on that. See what it does. It just went through your 21. Nice trade, Oliver. Look at that, Heinz. What do? Merck's COVID pill, Evaxion. Nice Heinz, dude. It's 22 already almost. Damn, that was a good call, bro. Good call. See that? Pets is going through 4. Been as high as 6 this morning. It's like my Dogz pick right here. It was up to 580 this morning. That's our swing pick right there, Dogz. Let me see if I could pull up the Dogz swing pick, show you what it looks like when I picked it. Dogz. I picked it on October 3rd. It wasn't too long ago. Had $1.93 to go through 2. Dogz. Look, it did a cup and handle right here with the last 2 quarters. So it did a little cup and handle, guys, right there. That's your little cup and handle. It's a very bullish pattern. Has a nice relative strength of 59. It's got 2 quarters of 300% increase, and they operate 13,000 pet stores in the United States and sell products for dogs and cats. They have only 29 million in the float. Their estimated growth is 200%, growing from 9 cents to profit to 27 cents from a loss of 33 cents. This is stellar. If everybody owns a pet, you should own some of this stock. You know why? CVS is $100. Walmart, Target, they're $200 a share. Right? Amazon's $3,000 a share. Why should you support those companies so much when you own a pet? You should also own something that you like. And this company's growing at 200%. It looks really nice. Dogz. 4 minutes to the open. On a dip, yeah, be worth a buy. I wouldn't chase it up because it's already up, to 100%. So you just got to wait for the next one. Stocks in motion, stay in motion. The trend's your friend, but it's up a lot. So just keep an eye on it. It's always good to buy quality stock companies on the dip. Let me just get this. I just have to copy this address and send it to someone. Tune into my YouTube show, bro. I'm live right now. Go to YouTube, search Pro Trader Mike, MOJO Day Trading. I'm live. There we go. All right, guys. Yo, you got any buy, sell, and holds? I'll tell you exactly what's going on, bro, at another time. But right now, the market's opening in 1 minute and 49 seconds. The Donald Trump stocks are always in play. They'll move up as a group. 63, 64, 65 on Dwac. We'll move to 70 if it does that. So we have a 7-point win and a $1 loss. Risk reward right there on that. That's Dwac, guys. We got a risk reward of a lot. So you can risk a little bit on the down, and if this thing runs 63, it's going to go to 70. And then Foon is going to go 450 into over 5. So you have a 70% plus move on this. This is Foon. So we got 70 plus upside, 20 risk down after a 1, 2, 3 scale in proper. You understand? Good. The next one is DATS, Heinz 8 with a signal at 810 for a touchy 11 to go right to 20. It's going to go right through here, 810, bam. So that's that one right there. We got 3 ready to go. 11 seconds to the open. Here we go, guys. Got signal at 11:10 on DATS, Foon, and Dwac, and Dogz and the others. EVAX is 23. I'm not going to chase it up. It was picked at 21. Here we go. We're open. Ding, 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 ding. All right, nothing's moving on DATS. Dogz, Dbgi. Dbgi moving. Signal at 60. Squeeze 60. 460 Dbgi moving to $5. Risk a dime, add only higher, sell lower. Dbgi, Dbgi, Dbgi. 460, add up, not lower. It's not really moving. Pets, Heinz 4, PETZ 380, 370. Heinz are up. Got 2,000 PETZ. You're going to add more higher. Dwac 64 right now. Foon 433 right now, and DATS 798 right now. I'm going to take entries each so I can watch them. EVAX halted down. Glad we didn't get in. Told you to wait when I didn't want to chase it up at 23. Foon's moving. 38, 39. Adding Foon into 40. Mini Heinz 50. Foon Mini 50. Foon Mini 50. Dwac adding. Here's Dbgi. New high 68. Selling half of Dbgi. Sold 69 Dbgi half. Sold another half of Dbgi. Not moving too fast. 470. We'll catch it more at Heinz. 73, 75. Sold more at Dbgi. 473. Neo looks good. Allen, Neo looks good. New row. Neo, NIO. Done. What about RIDE? That was low the other day. RID at 578. Keep touch with that. 4270. $480 on Neo. Good pick on Neo. It's going to Hines. I take one of those. And good trade getting out of that Dbgi. Died down a little bit. That's not doing. Dwac's moving. Here goes the Dwac. Adding Dwac 64. I'll just buy the ask. Here goes the Pets. 386, 387. Not really moving on that one either. Selling half for a tiny profit. PHUN will move with Dwac. Buying more of PHUN for a 450 mini. DATS 799. You're going to take some more DATS too into Hines 8. Zach Morris will run the pants off of that because Fubo just went by. He's into Fubo also. Hines in 34. Pass on Fubo. Ride's 582. Going to take a piece of Ride into Hines 6. Nice job on Neo. Neo ripped. Great job, Allen. Great pick in the room. 42.98, 42.99 right there. Sell through Hines. Done. Great job. Hines 43. Great job on Neo. Let me get that one off my screen. Dwac. And we'll buy on the dip. For a Hines 64. Pets. What do I got at 380? I'll take some. DATS 99, 8 now. Adding DATS, Hines 8. DATS will go through that 810 now. DATS with the 810 signal. He's sitting right here. This is where it's going right there, guys. Going to be a big green bar happening higher on DATS. Ride moving into Hines 6, 588. Adding Ride 500. Another 1,000 on that. Pfft, easy as pie today. Come on, Donald. Come on, Donald Bean. I'm out of the Pets as shit. There's a big signal at 62 for 30,000 on the bid right down there. Pets moving 31.99, not PETZ, PETS, PetMed Express. No volume pass, 10,000 shares. Good pass on Dbgi getting out of that. Holy shit, Dwac's down big. Not really. They took out that 62. It went right to him down there. Look at that. It went to 62 on the low. It did hit him. Now it's going to go up through 63. Damn, I couldn't get on the bid. I only got market orders to do. EVAX is open. Here we go. 20 bucks. Stay away. ARTL. Shit. NETE. Net Elements moving. 492. 1320, I mean, into Hines. Here's Dogz. Look, Dogz. My swing pick, new high. Can't believe the comp's up another 36 and Apple's up and shit. And Amazon's up. Dude, how can Amazon miss earnings and go freaking up so much, dude? Look at that. They missed earnings, but now it's like setting a new high. If I own that, it totally wouldn't do that. Totally wouldn't. All right, I'm down a lot in Dwac, man. I'm down a lot in Dwac. EVAC's halting down again. Glad we ain't in that one, dude. Stay away. Please. Stay away. Whew. Stay away from that one. What's SQQ doing? Oh, it took a big dump in there earlier too. Look at that. Let's do a little launch, dudes, into 639, 640, right? Nasdaq will sell off red because the comp's down, dude. Let's do that. Let's do a nice launch, dude. Week 37 into 36 for the strengthen up. Here we go. Launch time. Bam. Let's do it. Filled. A little strengthen up there. That was nice. Little launch. Good trade. Dogz 435. New high Dogz. Ride 586. Dwac coming back nicely. Nice launch. Nice launch in there, guys, going into 37, beauty. Dwac coming back nicely. Nasdaq should sell off a little bit here. QQQ's right at 394.50. The motion. Did good on Neo today. Good trading in the room. Everyone's making a lot of money. That's what we do every day. Let's check out the room on the main screen. Dogz new high 437, 440 on my Dogz pick. Nice, huh? Foon's positive, so Dwac's going to come back now. I'm going to add on Foon. Ride's doing good. 90. I'm adding on Ride. Getting to 5,000 shares of Ride. Cool. I got Ride, Dwac, Dats, and Foon. Neo just Heinz 43, went to 32. Dats wants to go through 810 really bad. Went to 805. Evac still halted at 18. Dogz new high 447. Good trading, man. Good trading. Dude, I found out some cool things, man. You want to see something? Check this out, boys. Check this out, boys. You want to see something cool? Look at this. You want to see something cool? Look. See this collection on OpenSea of 7.9 thousand? See all this collection? Look, you see this? Look at this collection. Look at this collection. They just bought all these. Look at that. You know who this is? Do you know who this account is? There's $17 million of NFTs in there. Alan, you know who that is? Take a guess. There's a hint right on the screen right now. Guess, man. There's a hint on my screen right now. Take a guess. There's a hint on my screen right now. Take a guess. Look. Who's smart enough to guess that? Whose is that? Take a look. That's right. That's Snoop Dogg's account. This is Snoop Dogg's NFT account, guys. Did you know that? Look, that's Snoop Dogg. This is his account. Did you know Snoop Dogg's on Twitter? Did you know that? Yeah, no you didn't. But you didn't know he's, let me show you. Do you know, dude, that's Snoop Dogg. He's Cosmo Dmitzy. Did you know that? That's Snoop Dogg, dude. Let me show you. Let me show you. Cosmo Dmitzy. This is Snoop Dogg. NFT. This is Snoop Dogg right here. Cosmo Dmitzy. Yeah, let me show you. Look. If you go to Snoop Dogg's profile, look, nobody's smarter than me, dude. Let's go to Snoop Dogg. He has 19 million files. Look, if you scroll down, he's Cosmo Dmitzy. See? He's Cosmo, dude. Look. Don't invest more than you can lose. Look. Let me show you. I have it right here. Here's the tweet. I am Cosmo Dmitzy. See? I am Cosmo. Snoop wrote that. I am Cosmo on September 20th. I am Cosmo Dmitzy. See? Isn't that unbelievable how good Mojo is, bro? And that's his collection's worth $17 million, dude. I found his collection on OpenSea. And I found out who he is through his Etherscan address on things he's bought. No one, dude, I know Spielberg, I know his now. Do you know why I'm really, what the big thing on the NFTs is going to be, dude? Do you know what it is? Okay. There's called like a first to market. You know what first to market means? You know what first to market means? Guys, you know what that means? Like first to market. You know what that means, man? Yeah, they get the stage first. So what's happening is you've got like the real deal. Because I'm doing nobody researches and knows the industry more than the Moj. Mining and cryptography, Bitcoin. Did you see, guys, my crypto portfolio? Did you? I don't mess around. This is when I've been giving everybody the stuff. Let me show you. So I bought Ethereum at $395 a coin, $315, and then I bought another $315 at $4,500. I bought VeChain. I bought $1 million at 0.0095. I'm up 1,336%. I bought EOS. I'm up 39 grand. I'm up 527%. Dogecoin I bought at 0007. I bought 134,500 Dogecoin, and then I bought another 134,000 Dogecoin at 0.26. Monero at 45 and 265. Look when I bought SHIB. SHIB I bought at 0.0000000045. Ultimate first. I'm up 12,000%. And I bought Bitcoin at 980 and at 62,000. 10 coins. That's the model portfolio, bro. I've been telling everyone, my traders in my chat room has a lot. People are looking to do that. We've already done it, dude. We've already done it, dude. We've already done that, bro. Yeah. So we set the stage, bro. We're first in, man. You know what's going to happen, though, is the real players are coming in. See, things that are the best can't be rushed. It's like a fine wine. I mean, Pixar, Disney, Marvel. I was driving down the road, and a truck pulled up next to me from Frito-Lay. And the trademark said 2015, and it had the Frito-Lay guy like holding on to the side of the truck, and it looked like he was ripping the side of the truck off, and it was like a 3D-ish image of him. It was so unbelievable. I'm like, that's an NFT. Those kind of companies are going to come out with imagery that's going to blow away what's happening now. The people now have been able to do it quick. They're first to market. They get their collections in there. They're making money. But the Pixar studios, the big companies, they don't rush. They've got big staff. It's procedural, operationalized. When they launch, those are the ones that will command Coinbase NFT, Binance NFT, OpenSea, and so forth. The only thing I see as a problem is, just like Bitcoin and so, is the security side of the industry. That when Pixar launches and announces their dates of when these are going to be available, every single copycat and artist out there is going to mimic their collection, make a similar URL, similar Twitter, similar site, even link up that to Pixar's site and everything, because OpenSea will let you do that. I can go on, take a picture of the whole Pixar collection. I could link it to Pixar's Twitter. I could link it to Pixar's homepage, and OpenSea would let me sell those as I was the owner of that collection, where it's not even out yet, or their collection is side by side with mine, and you're getting robbed. Like when you go to a flea market that's supposed to be like legitimate, and you go to buy the Louis Vuitton, and you paid $3 grand for it because they had a nice collection, and you're walking on the way out, and the guy's selling knockoffs of yours for $50. What are you doing in this? Dude, that ain't right. get that riffraff out of here, man. So, you know, the industry's got some flaws, man. But overall, it's growing nice. You got Snoop Dogg. You got a lot of Tom Brady, big celebrities that believe, man. You know what I'm saying? I listened to Tom Brady on Autograph yesterday. I should have taken a picture of it because it was historical. Only 870 people were listening to him on Discord. He had a stage set up. You know what a stage is, guys? Let me show you what a stage is. I'm going to do one today in the Mojo room. Let's see if I can do that. The Mojo stage. I'll call it the Mojo stage. The Mojo stage. Who could speak in it? Master pro traders. Pro traders. Just the masters and the pros. Here it is, the Mojo stage. You see it up top in the room, guys? Let me set some permissions for it. Everyone can view it. No one can manage it. You can create an invite and you can connect. You can't move or move people. Do you guys see the stage in the Mojo room? Let's move up to the stage. Start the stage. Pick the topic of conversation. The first performance. Start the stage. Done. Let's go, guys. Join me up there on the stage. We got Pro Trader Nalu moving in on the stage. We have all the pro traders doing beautiful. Look at that. We got JC. Welcome, bro. And you can show requests. You can move to the audience. You can invite people. You can exit quietly. So let's do a come down here to the Mojo room, and let's go to the chat room, and let's come into here live now on the stage. How do you do that? The stage? No, it ain't there. I wanted these out of here. Delete this channel. How come these keep on popping up? I don't want them in there. I'm a Discord pro, but I got 503 people on the Discord. Connect to the stage, guys. Right up there. Oh, my thing's out of whack. My first performance on the Mojo stage. Nice, I'm moving everyone to the Mojo stage. I could do that in the chat room. Just give me a second. Hammer down too. GS. Eric. Gilbert. I got a lot of people in the room, man. Brian. And B. Cool. So I'm in the Mojo stage now, guys, with 27 of my team. Alan, you come on up on the stage, please. Batman, Alan, who's coming up and joining on the stage. I like this little feature of the room. It's a new feature. This is what Tom Brady was on. Stage moderator. 1 speaking, 27 listening. I like it, dudes. There we go. Low down. That works nice. All right, what do we got? Rides moving. 598 on ride, dude. 599. Rides moving through. Your mic is suppressed. Let me fix it. Master Pro Traders. Oh yeah, this is messed up. Hold on, let me fix it. Pro Traders can view, manage, boom, boom, boom. Everyone. Does that work? Did that work? See now if you can connect up there. Ooh, Emmanuel made $2,000 today, dude. What about now, Batman? Let me see if I can click on your name. First stage performance, it's working at least. Can you connect now? It's working now. Go ahead, let's go up there and speak on stage with me, please, so I can see. Let me get up there with you. Here it is. Where is it? I think you have to show a request or something like that. See that little thing on the bottom? Request to be a speaker or something. Yeah, look, it's cool on the screen. You could pop it out across the whole screen. Dude, in 2022, I'm going to have 250 people in here doing this with me. Easy. Ride Heinz 6. It's not working, Batman. Where'd you go, bro? You gotta click on the stage, bro. You're not even in there. I gotta move them. You gotta click on the stage, Batman. It's up above. It's at the top of the chat room. Now you have to hit that show request and you can speak. Let's see if I right click on you. Can you speak? What if you press this? What happens? Let's go back to the chat. What happens if you press that? It's weird. What's this? Move to audience, mute, show, invite. Oh, invite? Yeah, I did that. Well, it's not working. Let me see if I can do it on my other. Hold on. I could listen in. There it is, show requests. Request to speak, invite to speak. You see that? It worked. Hey, Emmanuel, what's up, buddy? See how that worked, Batman? You got to do a request to speak. that just shows the requests. How do you do that? Oh, become a speaker. There you go. There you go. You see that? You have to become a speaker, dude. Click that button right here on the far left. Right here, this one. Hey, GS. What's up, buddy?
How are you, sir?
Yeah, you figured it out, buddy. Good job. Hopefully Batman could figure this out now.
Batman's still in the main chat, but I'll tell him to work out. There he is. Open him up, Batman.
You there, Batman? You have to click that button on the left next to the microphone where you can request to speak. You see that? It's the first button on the left, buddy. There you go. Batman, what's up, my man? We sure can, man.
Absolutely. What's up, Batman?
Dude, this is the greatest. This is the greatest. That we all can get on stage and like host an event and really show everybody the world that it ain't just about the mojo and me, man. That it's about everybody and paying it forward because we've been doing this a long time, man. No one knows. It's like a secret society. Absolutely. So what do we got down here? We got the audience, and we can just talk. This is what Tom Brady was on yesterday. Yeah, this is what Tom Brady on Autographs Discord was on. He had 870 people. I got 21, and it was one of the greatest conversations, Batman. GS heard it, right, GS?
Yes, I did. I was there with you.
You want to hear want me to tell you some of the key points of what he said, Batman, some of the takeaways? Yeah, Tom Brady, he owns autograph.io. It's an NFT. Yeah, Giselle is his wife, the supermodel. She makes more than he does. We're trying to get her as a hot bunny, make a hot bunny NFT out of her and add it to the collection. So Tom Brady's just like us, bro. If he was hanging out here in the Mojo room or with us, I mean, dude, he's just like one of the guys. It's so incredible how down to earth he is. It's so incredible. So they were asking questions from the audience to Tom Brady, and they said, Tom, he's like, me and my team, that's all we talk about is crypto and NFTs. And the question was from the audience, Tom, how do you get people how do you explain it to people? How do you get people into crypto? How did you get your friends? How do you get them into the NFTs, man? And he just said, look, I just show them my portfolio. And they say, holy crap, how do I do that? And that's what he does. And he loves to be a coach and a mentor to people. And he likes to surround himself with like-minded, passionate people that share the same interests in the same circle as him. And he stays within that circle and does his routine religiously. And that's pretty much what he said. And he said, the DeFi space is changing and the whole industry is changing, and if you want to be a part of that change, you better take action and start doing something, which was amazing. And he said that he talks about it with his whole team. That's all they talk about. He said that he likes to keep himself in shape. His job's to keep his body and his mind and everything in good shape, and he likes to have a smoothie every day. And He likes to start it with blueberries as his base, and that's what I do. I go get my smoothie. It's called the Sunset Sunrise at the smoothie place, and it's got orange juice and peaches, but I take out the pineapple and I add the blueberries, and I get extra so it's real purple. So me and Tom are like, we'd have smoothies together for sure. Totally. Yeah, Tom Brady said, dude, you look at me now, you look at me back then. Dude, I worked harder than anyone else. I sat the freaking bench, dude. I wasn't that good, but I worked harder than everyone else, and it took a long time. And I just built and believed, and that's how I got to where I am today. Kind of like Dr. Gio Valiente, when Tiger Woods is a sports psychologist. He's the greatest model of sports psychology with social cognitive theory, process goals, outcome goals, self-belief, and patience. Where Tiger Woods, like Tom Brady, wants to win the most Super Bowls and be the legend of all time. He does his process goals of his routine and plays his games and doesn't look at the results, and just is a great performer. He has total self-belief in himself and patience to accomplish the goal. And that's what we're doing with Mojo right now, bro. We're surrounding ourselves with the team. We're aligning the right ingredients in place. We're building with self-belief and patience, and we're going to take it to the Super Bowl. You know what I mean? Ride just went through Hines, bro. It's 6:09, and Dwac's coming back. So guys that have Ride, you can take half a profit on that one. So yeah, this worked pretty good, man. This stage kind of thing. So let's exit quietly. Everybody, click that button to the right. We're going to do a lot more of these. I'm going to bring in some guest speakers, within the industry of stocks and DeFi and public companies, and so you can hear the words of wisdom from other people on what's going on. I did one of these the other day with Ethereum Max. I know a lot of you guys own Emax, Ethereum Max, that coin that I did the report on. And did I tell you about that? The spaces that they did with Mr. Arnett, who owned Arnett Sunglasses and got bought out by Bausch and Lomb. Did I tell you what he said? Let me tell you what he said. He said that he built Arnett Sunglasses from nothing, and it got bought out by Bausch and Lomb and Oakley. He was worth hundreds of millions of dollars, but he completely missed the Bitcoin. And his buddy that told him about it, he's like, I ain't buying that Bitcoin. He was an older guy, retired. I ain't buying that. I don't understand it, just like everybody else. And he missed it. So the same buddy came back to him and said, look, I got this new project, Emax. I know you missed out on the Bitcoin. You should check this out. And Mr. Arnett's like, I'm not going to do this. I'm all in with you, man. He understands it now. He actually, when you buy the coin, you're actually like a board of directors. You have say within the company. The more coin you own, the more say you have. So the shares, the board of directors do what they want. So he liked that idea, and he went all in on the Emax. It dipped like it did last week. He got freaked out. He's like, oh my God, dude, what are you guys doing to me? I'm down freaking so much money. They're like, no, man, Mr. Arnett, BFTD. He's like, what? Buy the fucking dip. He's like, oh, okay, I'll believe in you. And he bought the dip. Now he's up like hundreds of percent. He's a total believer. And same thing with the NFTs, man. You're going to miss that. You're going to buy that when it's like 60,000 at Bitcoin. You're going to miss the opportunity. So he's all in on as a first adopter in on the altcoins now. And when he built this company, the guy gave him, his buddy, $300,000 to start Arnett, and The guy comes back to him a month later and says, dude, I want my money back. And he's like, dude, I already got the laboratory to make the glasses and yada yada. The guy's like, I don't care, dude, I need my money back. So he had to go borrow the money from somebody, the bank and friends, pay him back the 300 grand, and then the company got sold for a couple of $100 million. And he goes to the guy, he's like, dude, see, my company's sold now for $100 million. You gave me 300. Why'd you have to take everything back, bro? You could have kept 50 grand in there, taken back 250, and you could have had a piece of something huge. And the moral of that story is, just like big stock trades or cryptos, when you're up big on them, don't sell it all, man. Keep a little bit in the game, because you never know what that thing could turn out to be. And that was the moral of that story. So you get some good things from a lot of good people that could come in and shed some good light on the industry and the angles from different people, man. What do you think about that? Give me some feedback.
From my perspective, I'm seeing taking that to the trading level. I would always go scale in the right way, and then I hit it by nut and I dump it all. I'm now learning this past year how to maximize that trade, scale out accordingly. It made all the difference in my daily gain ability. So basically, what you're preaching, the same thing there. Don't dump all the eggs in one basket just because you go green real fast. Leave 10, 15, 20, 100 shares on the table, whatever it is, because throughout the day, and you can see that upticking further. But if you look at it in terms of a crypto, you look in terms of days, weeks, months, you can see it upticking hugely. So leave some in the key. Moral of the story, I agree.
Nice, nice. All right, cool, guys. Let's exit quietly on that, on the words of wisdom of Batman, and keep it profitable. Peace. Let's take a break, and I'll see you guys. See you guys this afternoon. Later. Exit and end. That was sweet. Connect back to live chat. That was pretty sweet, man. Yeah, hammer down. Now you can connect to the live chat. Now you can connect. He missed it, dude. Because he missed it. He's like, why isn't there any noise? Great room to be in, everybody. Great room to be in. 5:73 in the morning getting a smoothie. Me too. I'm going to get a smoothie. I'm all fired up. Go Tom Brady. Thank you, sir. Peace. Make have another one. Thank you. Later, guys.